Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to read nursery rhyme Shapes Everywhere. Shapes, shapes everywhere. Shapes, shapes everywhere. Shapes are very useful. Handkerchiefs are square. Square, square. Tabletops are rectangle. Rectangle. Rooftops are triangle. Triangle. And the wheels of the bus are circle. Circle. Shapes, shapes everywhere. Shapes, shapes everywhere. Shapes are very useful. Handkerchiefs are square. Square, square. Tabletops are rectangle. Rectangle. Rooftops are triangle. Triangle. And the wheels of the bus are circle. Circle.
Thank you so much for watching our videos. It was nice to have you all here. Please do like and subscribe to our channel, and we will be uploading more videos of the same. Thank you.